Hey Danny, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Altitude. Well, I am going to be taking a trip here at the end of the week, and I am going to be flying on an airplane, and of course I want to take my drone with me, and common sense right away tells me that you got to go through TSA when you're heading through the airport to your plane. Well, I've been flying for years and years, off and on. Well, there's always been issues with my baggage, right? Now, I am a drone pilot, and I want to take my drone with me. So what do I have to do to get my drone through TSA or customs, whichever way you want to do it, without getting stuck saying, no, you can't take that? Like, uh-oh, not a good situation. So it's time to do some research. So first thing I'm going to is TSA's Drone, Transportation Security Administration. Let's see what we can do here. See what comes up. And I expect you to do your own research because this stuff updates, periodically, and you don't want to get stuck at the counter saying, no, that's changed. So, right off the bat, questions are, can I take my batteries? Okay, I need to be able to take my batteries with me. What are the requirements? So, this is off the Phantom, or the Mavic Pro, and this is on the Phantom Pro. And I know right off the bat, from experience and listening to other people, it's all going to depend on the power within it, whether it's a lithium or a regular battery. These are all lithiums, rechargeables. So let's see. Good rule, emergencies, tips, media. Let's see. I'm on TSA, which is Transportation Security Administration. And then there's a question over here, what can I bring, A through Z, and employees. So right now, what I want to know is drones. So we'll punch in drone, see what it's got to say. Okay, here we go. Carry on bags. Check with the airline. Check bags. Check with the airline. Drones are allowed through the checkpoint. Please check with your airline for policies. For more prohibited items, please go to what can I take? Although drones are allowed through the security checkpoint, some airlines may not let you take them. See, drone. Carry on bags. Check with airline. Airline check baggage. Check with airline drones. No drones here. Let's see. Okay, let's see what else we got here. So it's telling you to check. The airline itself may not let you take a drone. So let's see. TSA travel security screen. Items, drones. No drones here, man. That was 13. Okay, archive content. That's back in 13, dude. No. Let's see. see, drone batteries, because that's the problem, is drone batteries. Results, Transport Security Administration, drone batteries. Ain't that something? I put in drone batteries. Sorry, no results found for drone batteries. Try entering fewer or broader terms. Let's go on to just drones. Okay, let's see. Comes back to that same thing. Carry-on bags, check with the airline. Check baggage, check with airlines. Drones are allowed through the checkpoint. Please check airline for policies. For more prohibited terms, please go to what can I bring? Okay. I'm clicking on. Now I'm clicking on what can I bring? No results found for drones. Well, I'm going to investigate a little more here. Okay, with a little continuous investigation on TSA's website, I punched in batteries, and right the first set it talks about recommended by TSA lithium batteries with more than 100 watt hours. Says lithium batteries more than 100 watt hours. Carry-on bags, yes. Special instructions. Check bags. That was carry-on. Check bags. No lithium batteries with more than 100 watt hours may be allowed in carry-on bags with airline approval, but are limited to 2 spare batteries per passenger. So the Mavic Pro battery, right under where it says rated capacity, says 38.30 milliamp hours, or equivalent to 43.6 watt hours. So we're way under the 100 on that, almost 50%, a little more than 50%. And the Phantom battery, right on the top here, it's got 4,480 milliamp hours, which is equivalent to 68 watt hours. So even this one is within the airline mandate, and you are limited to 2 spare batteries per passenger. So that means I can put this one in the Mavic, or put this one in the Phantom, and then I can carry 2 spares. Now it doesn't say whether discharged or fully charged. It does not say that. So I guess you got to go with, it's not, it doesn't matter. But I did read something else that says you want to make sure your contacts are covered. So I recommend a little bit of electrical tape put over them, and then you should be good to go. I'm going to do a little more investigation here.